Today, I'm excited to bring you an exclusive Bluehost discount offer. By clicking the special link in the description or in the first pinned comment, you'll automatically unlock this limited-time Bluehost discount. When you click the link, you'll be directed to the page showing the current Bluehost plans. Starting with the basic plan, which is perfect if you're launching a single website. For those looking to host multiple sites, the Choice Plus plan offers fantastic value, letting you host up to 3 websites with ease. Just select the plan that fits your needs and complete your purchase. And remember, Bluehost has a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not fully satisfied within the first month, you can get a full refund risk-free. Now, why choose Bluehost? Well, it's one of the top-rated hosting providers out there, known for its affordability, reliability, and great performance. It's even officially recommended by WordPress and boasts an impressive 99.98% uptime, meaning your site will stay up and running when your visitors need it. Bluehost also provides an easy one-click WordPress installation, making it ideal for beginners. Plus, they offer a handy checklist to help you set up everything from site navigation to design customization. And one of the best parts? Their 24/7 customer support. Whether you prefer to reach out by phone, email, or live chat, Bluehost's support team is always ready to help, making it a top choice for customer service. So, if you're ready to take advantage of this exclusive deal, just click the link in the description or the pinned comment to get started. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more great deals and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy hosting!